no wipe, not no wipe. I'm sorry, using condensed glue gels because you don't need to put anything else on it because you have 2 coat of the gel polish already. So, or you don't even have the gel polish. Okay, so if you are doing a dipping powders, you want to add 1 coat of your base coat first. Same thing with acrylic as well. Because if you buff it really smooth, so it's best to do 1 thin coat of base coat first and then cure for 10-15 seconds. And then you can apply the condensed glue gels. So now I apply condensed glue gels and I am going to pick it up this. However you want, you can do it like diagonals, you can do it like top to bottom, however the way you want to lay yours. Just a little bit hint there. There you go. I'm going to pick up some of my blast of colors and the green. I love this one, it's really fun to play with. You can add more if you want more of greens on this one. Don't worry about it's like to get it perfect because later in a little bit it's gonna be really cool and perfect for you. Like that one. Oh, can you wipe that once for me? Thank you. And I'm wipe my brush off so I can pick at it. Hey, me too. Cece. Mama Vic, how are you? Oh, Shatella, I have a question. How do you place foil over gel polish? All right, Shatella, there are 2 different foil. Do you mean the flaky foil like the one I'm using it right now, or you mean the chamfer foil? If you flaky foil, you can absolutely tap it on the gel polish and it should stay on. But if you are doing it on the like a chamfer foil, then you need a chamfer foil gels. So can you tell me what kind of you using? All right, so I'm gonna do really quick this one. Great, so now we are going to cure this one fast cure for 30 seconds. All right. Chamfer foil. So chamfer foil, Chantella, you might want to use this premium IHO chamfer foil. I love this. Just cure for 30 seconds. Apply that on the top of the gel polish. Cure for 30 seconds with really good proper LED lamp, and then you chamfer the foil over it. So you can watching, if you go to our video from Facebook, Chantella, there's so many different tutorials with chamfer foil gel. If you're on Instagram, I can send you a message for the video, or if you're on Facebook, then just shoot us the message because we can't send the message to the customer, but you can't send the message to us, and then the team can able to send you a message, a video, what video is going to be for the chamfer foil. And it's really details that I share, so then you won't miss anything, and it's really easy to achieve that. So I am going to using this. I know what you want to do. We can do this one, maybe. Not using it to pick that. Doesn't matter, so we can do this one. Let me get that one. That's one bigger. I want this bigger one. It's connecting to this. Can I get my X-Acto knife there? I think it's connecting to that. I use the other ones on this side, and this side I didn't realize that it stick on this. Just really gentle because you might. See, so it stick on that one. No, because I rip it out. So it's okay. I can connecting it together for you. It was connecting to that piece, so that's why. So just be careful. It wasn't that. It wasn't that bad. It's connecting to the other one too. So. Let me see. It's connecting to this one too. No. Okay, I got the other one is super easy, no problem, but this one I didn't see it because it's really, the lighting is so shiny. I couldn't see that if it's connecting to that. So if you see that, don't worry, get your X-Acto knife and cut. It's just like it's connecting to the other one. So then if you don't cut it, you're gonna rip that piece off. Or maybe I'm gonna using that. Just forget about that one. Just do this, guys. Look at. Different because the other ones we did is something in the diagonal. There you go. Oh, I like that better. Okay. And I'm gonna do, let's see how this one, it's kind of a nice ombre, like a rainbow ombre. Right there. You don't have to necessarily coat anything because it's really stick on and you're gonna encap that. So it's not going anywhere but stay here. All right, I'm using a heart right there. This is, you know what, this is cool and perfect for whoever has short nails. Long nails, you can dress it up really cool though. It's really like, and then we're getting some green leaf. All right, so if you're happy with this, we are going to cap. You don't have to key anything. I'm gonna cap this one and like with the condensed glue gels. Oh, Chantella, good. If you have Instagram, we can definitely just send us an email, the DM us, and then we send you a link. There's a lot of different links for tutorials, and absolutely would love to send it to you. So I'm using condensed glue gel again, really thin coat, and coat over. This is how you encapsulating with the gel polish. If you're using a gel polish, then you can't absolutely encapsulate a lot of stickers. And if you do this really quick techniques, it will keep your sticker staying nice and stay on without like having edges. It's just peeling off. If you have any issue like your if yours edges is peeling off, this will stop that and it will not happen. I'm trying to go into all that to cap all of the glitter, because some of them is like a bigger particle than the others. So then we'll make sure that you cap all of them so then they stay nice and smooth. And next I am going to using a no wipe top coat on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. So now if you want to do a crystal placement, you absolutely can. Now is a good time to doing it before you cure. But if you don't want anything, this now will looks good. I think, I don't know if I want to do glitter crystal on it. Do you think? See, this looks really nice, and you can see closer. It looks like a 3 dimensions, and it's really caps everything. All right, so I am going to cure this one for 60 seconds.